So let's say we're asked to simplify 3x to the negative 2. What I want you to clearly understand here, because a lot of times students would get confused with this, is that the negative 2 pertains to the x and not the 3. Okay, so when we're deciding on the properties and laws of exponents, it's important to understand what it's applying to. Now, any base to the negative exponent will carry this property where it'll be 1 over that base, and of course the base has to be in the denominator, to the positive exponent, whatever that exponent was. So in this case, this property is going to pertain only to the x, because it's the x that has a negative 2 and not the 3. Now what I'm going to do to make sure that I don't mix the two up is I'm going to put this part in brackets right away. Okay, that way I know I'm applying this property to that base and not the 3. Now when I do that and I apply the property, I get 3 outside bracket and inside bracket 1 over x squared. Now what I can do is I can rewrite this as 3 over 1, because 3 over 1 essentially is 3. It's the same thing, over 1 over x squared, or multiplied by 1 over x squared. And when we do that, the most simplified version of this is going to be basically 3 over x squared. And that's how we would approach that kind of test question.